Y'all, this is our room. Bed, which is low enough for Garland to get in, thank God. We have an elephant buddy, towel elephant buddy, water, we were told not to drink, and our charging station, our cake, our water that we bought, a tiny TV, there's our stuff. And there's the balcony, but we're not gonna go out there because it is windy. Best part about this is the bathroom. Now, I must admit, these toilets are weird to sit on, but all's good. But look at this wheelchair accessible shower. Finally, we get a place that has a wheelchair accessible shower. Yay! We have our closet, which I probably need to hang up my dress. So yeah, I can hang it up. We need to hang up your tux too. And that's our room. Carnival Breeze has your whole family covered with water and fun. There's a 320-foot long twister water slide. For those children, there are supervised youth programs such as Camp Ocean, Circle C, and Club O2. And for all the bigger people, there's time to be spent doing blissfully nothing at Serenity, adults-only retreat. After pampering yourself at Clyde Noun Spa, that is. Several activities and much more to choose from around the ship, Carnival Breeze is your fun on the sea.
Rule number 2, no phoning a friend. If you see someone like FaceTiming their veterinarian.
Now let's get down to the question we are all wondering. How wheelchair accessible is the Carnival Breeze? Garland and I found this place to be about 80% wheelchair accessible. And let me tell you why. Our room was 100% wheelchair accessible. With a low bed and roll-in shower, it's definitely nice to know that we didn't have to worry if Garland was going to get a shower or not on our vacation. And the balcony was wheelchair accessible too. All we had to do was bring one of the 2 chairs inside from the balcony inside of our cabin, so Garland's wheelchair could fit comfortably on the balcony itself. This one right here?
Yeah.
What are those down there?
Look like livers or something.
I think they're supposed to...
Dead livers. Oh yeah, look. They're going to hell.
Oh.
The livers are going to hell.
I think they're supposed to do something with wine.
The livers are going to hell because they drank so much wine. That's why.
Let's talk about the cruise ship for a second. The Carnival Breeze had many places that capture your eye. With art, shopping, casinos, and so much more, it's so much fun. However, Garland and I found a lack of lower countertops at the bars, and sometimes the carpet did not agree with Garland's wheelchair. Despite these things, the Carnival Breeze is a fun place for those wanting to have a good time at sea. Y'all, thank you so much for coming on this adventure with us. Please do not forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and we will see you on the next adventure. Yeah,